everybody, it's Becky. I'm back with another weekly grocery haul for you guys. This was another really big stock up week for us. Kroger's is still doing the 5 times e-coupon sale, or the e-coupon offer on their app. So I got quite a few things. I got more Tide, which I do have some crystal wash laundry balls that I love, but I keep forgetting to charge them in the sun. And sometimes I just like to use Tide. So I got 5 bottles of that. That's a really good price for those. With the coupon, it makes them $2.99 a bottle. I got 2 more of the girls' cereal they like, and then 2 more of the granola that they like, and then this one I actually use in my Greek yogurt as kind of a little treat, so I like that. I got 2 bags of organic broccoli florets, 2 of those, some organic bananas, organic sweet potatoes for a recipe next week. My youngest daughter still likes these organic baby food pouches, and if she's going to eat them, I will buy them for her. They make a good snack for her, so I got 3 of those. Also, another of their toothpaste. This is the Hello brand fluoride-free toothpaste. I got some of these wide egg noodles just for a quick meal that I make on very rare occasions when I just don't have time to make anything else. So I got some of those. I also got some lasagna noodles, which again, I never buy because I haven't made homemade lasagna in years. I don't think my youngest daughter has ever had it, and she's 8, but it takes so long to make. But it's so good, but it's so fattening, but it's so time consuming. But I told her she loves Italian food, and I told her I would make her some since she's never had it. So there's quite a few things here that I'm going to be needing for that lasagna recipe, and I'm going to include it in the description box for you guys. It was my mom's recipe from a cookbook back in like the 60s or 70s that she used, and then she gave it to me when I got married. It's a really good homemade lasagna recipe. So I got some lasagna noodles. I also got 2 packs of the organic ground beef. I got some organic ricotta cheese for the lasagna, and then I got 5 more jars of our favorite peanut butter. This is the Simple Truth Organic No Stir Creamy Peanut Butter. You got to get the no stir so it doesn't separate, and this is the best peanut butter I've ever used, whether it be organic or not. It's my favorite texture and my favorite flavor. So I got 5 more of those because the e-coupon you can get up to 5. The girls this time picked out these Simple Truth Greek yogurt bars in chocolate fudge. I got these garlic knots to use with lasagna. They're not organic, but their ingredients aren't terrible. I got another box of the Kodiak cakes. I really like this for protein pancakes. They're really good. And then the girls also, you guys have seen this before, they really love the Annie's Bunny fruit snacks in the berry patch flavor, but it was cheaper to get this big box than it was to get the smaller boxes. So I picked up a box of those. Some Zesta crackers just for chili we're having next week. You guys know my guilty pleasure brownies we have every Saturday, so I got another box of those. Please excuse the dishwasher, it's still going. 2 onions, 1 for chili, 1 for lasagna. Tomato juice for the chili and the lasagna. 2 organic of the Simple Truth pulp-free orange juice we get every week. This is the only 2 bottles they had, or I would have gotten more, so I got 2 of those. I never buy fruit juice for the girls besides orange juice, but they both were begging for apple juice, so I got some organic apple juice. And then the Kraft salad dressing was included in the 5 times e-coupon. It made them, I think, 99 cents a bottle, which is a really good price. So I got 1 ranch and then 4 Italian. We use this mostly for, I have like a marinated chicken that I do on the grill, and then I have a couple other recipes that use Italian chicken. So I stocked up on that. I also got some of this. We say it Worcestershire. I don't know how everybody else says it. This I had to get just because I need it for lasagna. I never use this in any other recipe, but I need it for lasagna, so I picked that up. Also, some feminine products. Typically, they're not cheaper at the grocery, but because of the $1 off e-coupon, I went ahead and got 2 packs from there. I also got 2 packs of the organic mozzarella cheese. Again, I don't typically get shredded cheese, even organic, because it does still have cellulose. If you can see in the ingredients right there, it's got cellulose, which is prevented to add cake, or just added to prevent caking. We don't typically get shredded cheese for that reason, and I'm kind of surprised, being organic, that it's still in there. Normally I just get the block organic cheese and shred it myself, but I couldn't find a block of mozzarella, so I did get 2 bags of this just for lasagna. Otherwise I don't typically buy shredded cheese. A thing of Pepto-Bismol because my stomach is ridiculous, and 4 packs of the Simple Truth Organic black beans. These are my favorite black beans. They're organic, they're delicious, and it made them like 50 cents a can, which is a really good price. And I use these in my bean yumminess recipe I talked about a few videos back. So I picked up 2 4-packs. That'll last us for a while. And I think that's everything. It was a pretty big haul. It was a pretty expensive haul. It was around $170 something. It was actually over $200. before the e-coupons came off. So the e-coupons alone saved me around $30. And then $5 also was my youngest daughter got some My Little Pony mystery bags. So that's kind of in that same total, but that doesn't really count because that's not food. But that is everything I picked up to stock up, and also just for meals for next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you do and you want to see more grocery hauls that you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see my homemade lasagna recipe, check the description box. I will have it all typed out for you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.